Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. How cows go to the vet from Switzerland mountains. An average human can tolerate about 1000 bee stings. Titanic orphans brothers Michael and Edmund Navratil 1912. They were the only children to be rescued from the Titanic without a parent or guardian. The color of egg does not indicate any nutritional advantages. Some cactus produce an alkaloid, mescaline, which causes visual hallucinations. There are 800 miles of coastline in Costa Rica between the Pacific and Caribbean coasts. Capsaicin heat of chilies dissolves in fat. Try milk or butter if you ever get a chili burn. Stevia is 200 times sweeter than table sugar and is healthy alternate for diabetic patients. Cotton is stronger when it is wet. Belize has the only jaguar reserve in the world, otherwise known as Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary. Dogs do not like loneliness. Around 40% of Belarus is covered by forest. This is what an ice-covered street lamp on Mount Washington looks like. Star of the South, one of the largest diamonds in the world, discovered by a river in Brazil in July 1853. It was found by a slave girl named Rosa, who turned the diamond over to her master. He rewarded her by granting her freedom and giving her a pension for life. Crossword puzzles were a huge fad in the 1920s. The distinctive grid was even printed on clothing. Dolphins are unable to smell. The world's first white ligers were born in 2013. A white lion and tiger had 4 cubs that are now the rarest big cats on the planet. Some stork birds build a nest of 2 meters or 6 feet in diameter and 3 meters or 10 feet in depth. Cats have flexible teeth. After Richard Feynman was named the world's smartest man by Omni magazine, his mother said, "If that's the world's smartest man, God help us." The mouth of the Statue of Liberty is 3 feet wide. Oya is the name given to a white cobra. Kong Thong is an isolated ancient village that's been in the mountains of the Indian state Meghalaya, where villagers call out to each other using short tunes that resemble birdsong. Red mangrove is a type of plant which lives on water. There was the rivers that have no bridges in Japan in the Edo era. There was some working people who is called Kawagoshi Ninsoku. They carried travelers over the river. The green-horned owl has no sense of smell. Your brain tends to make imaginary monsters when you stare in a mirror for too long. The baby-faced asylum tombstone near the center of Cedar Hill Cemetery is a large tombstone with a 3D image of a baby's face carved on it. According to legend, if you stare at the baby's face for a while and then turn away when you look back at the tombstone, the baby will be looking in a different direction. So make sure you take one last glance over your shoulder when you are walking away from this tombstone. Toronto firefighter Danny vanished during a skiing trip in New York, only to reappear 6 days later, nearly 3,000 miles away in Sacramento, California. He had no memory of how he got there and was still wearing his ski gear. Some gladiatorial contests included animals such as bears, rhinos, tigers, elephants, and giraffes. Most often, hungry animals fought other hungry animals, but sometimes hungry animals fought against gladiators. The USSR had a television song contest. Since few people had phones, viewers would turn off their house lights on if they liked a certain song. The State Energy Co. recorded the size of each power spike and reported the results to the station. Gladiators learned to fight in front of huge crowds in their training schools. The Ludus Magus, the biggest such training facility in the city of Rome, had an arena that could hold up to 3,000 spectators. At the edge of the desert in the middle of nowhere sits a motel decorated with thousands of clowns that's next to an abandoned graveyard. The Clown Motel in Tonopah, Nevada is considered one of the scariest motels in America. Top 7 professions that did not exist 20 years ago. Social media manager, SEO specialist, app developer, drone operator, cyber security analyst, data scientist, cloud computing specialist. Thanks for watching.